is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Pause. I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying?
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Talking about going to the moon and going soon. Well, we've got lots to talk about this morning. Many people roasted me, said I was crazy. Well, I might be crazy, but I'll tell you right now, one thing I do know is technical analysis. Crypto winter is done. We came to you 10 days ago. All of a sudden, all the fundamentals, everything, you hit the bell, all notification, we go live, and you get the stuff immediately. Come join the live with Wall Street Pete, technical analysis. Currently, right now, we're sputtering. I don't know what's going on with the internet. I do apologize. I'm the only one here, so I don't know what's going on. But you hit the like, subscribe. We talk about going on a ride. We talk about this double top pattern that we are currently establishing for the DXY, and why I think this is basically a big bear trend for an awesome possibility to retouch. But if we do, Bitcoin will go down. But this is a great thing because eventually we're going to come all the way down to here. And as you can see, we should be forming something coming to the downside, and I can't wait to find out if this is technically going to happen or not. So could get a big fall. If we do, obviously Bitcoin will prevail. We're going to pay attention to the DXY on there. And obviously today I want to go over some crypto news, and that's what we talk about on this channel. It's very important how it correlates into the crypto market, and why I think coming into the January 2023, we could be testing some of these 1,700 levels to 2,000, and you may not understand how this is going to happen, but we're going to talk about it. So let's get into this without further ado. Currently, some Ripple news. We do have Ripple currently right now is coming to London in November. Not sure if you understand what's happening. San Francisco headquartered fintech firm Ripple, which celebrated its 10th annual anniversary last Thursday, October 20th, is bringing its annual Swell Conference to London in this November. And it's raising awareness of its brand by placing ads in strategic locations in London's 2 financial districts. So Ripple, which uses technology of blockchain tech to allow global financial institutions, business, governments, and developers to move, manage, and tokenize value, had its 10th anniversary last week. Ripple CEO Brand Garlinghouse stated that the team celebrated the firm's birthday at their latest all-hands meeting. This coming week, Ripple is in Las Vegas for the Monday 2020 USA Conference, October 23rd, 26th, which is happening right now of this year. Ripple also we're at Money 2020 in Las Vegas this week. Stop by our booth 4401 or head over to the Build Bold stage at 2:25 p.m. to hear from VP and Central Bank Digital Currencies, CBDCs, James Wallace, and his discusses money reimagined in the age of CBDC. So it's very important to understand and do your own research, as you must do your own research. The CBDCs, we're going to become the bank. Is Ripple going to be the financial lifesaver? Is XRP going to be something that a lot of people thought would. So you got to be careful with this and understand that, yes, Ripple's looking pretty good, ladies and gentlemen, and the fundamentals are there, so we got to watch that. Tron, what's going on, Dustin? Good morning to you, and good morning to all the wolves. Tron hits record, 117 million users, but TRX price increase is mediocre. Yes, while the rest of the market moves together, TRX, Tron, managed to pull a Bitcoin-like feat almost 2 weeks ago, when it became a legal tender for the Commonwealth of Dominica. So pay attention to what is happening. The 16th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization successfully replicated Bitcoin's feature when it became a legally accepted tender within the territories of El Salvador. Big news here coming, and good morning to you, Mr. Selder. As coin currently trades at the 0.06 cents, we have Tron's protocols TVL. Total value loss drops to 1.25 billion. Did you go over Bitcoin yet? No, I did not, and I can't wait. I did not do any technical analysis. The most important part, we wait for the end, Mr. Dustin. So yes, you are about to get to it, but this is some big news for Tron. The price did not reflect, so that's even bigger news, right? Make sure you hit the bell all notification. As this gentleman told you, I believe we are done. What we're going to talk about here is this chart, weekly moving averages, and as you can see here, currently right now, the 17.7 on this chart, it's hard to see where the crosshair is, but 17.7, you're not late, actually. We didn't talk much about, just a little bit of news, so don't worry, Jay Creek. This is going to be a quick video for people who have to do work, music, and things in life. We make these quick videos for you and updates. Bitcoin right now, I believe, is in this consolidation point. Currently, right now, 17.7 is where this cursor is. And if you see each time Bitcoin, even in the COVID time, 2020, this is where the COVID time was. As you can see before, we went up to 69,000. Well, we've obviously been in this bear trend coming through. We tested one more time, and now here we are consolidating at the moving average of the 300 weekly moving average on this chart. It's hard to see, but don't worry. I got your back. I'm explaining it to you the best I can. 17.7 was the bottom here. Looks like we are showing that this could have been the bottom. If you see each previous bottom, they are replicating very much so. So, I mean, this chart really is awesome. I wish I could make it a little more better, but it's okay. That didn't make any sense, that sentence. I wish I could make it better. There's no such thing as make it more better. My English teacher would crack me upside my head if she could. But here we are, Bollinger Bands on the weekly for Bitcoin. I do see the Bollinger Bands getting tight. There is a massive, and I'll repeat, there is a massive breakout coming. I do hope it's not to the downside, because then we would get the final blow, as most people say. Wall Street Pete tells you, I believe we're out of that nonsense. Most people here, as we are at an all-time high of subscribers, I thank you so much for your support. We do have 21%, though, that is not subscribed and using Wall Street Pete to the fullest. Well, you're not. Hit the bell, all notification, you 21% people that I appreciate you watching, but you must get the bell notification, so make sure you do so. The behold of the great bond crash of 2022, ladies and gentlemen. Since 2022, you can see clearly what is happening to the bond. This is the debt that finances the world. We have a problem here, ladies and gentlemen. We are going into a major recession. I don't care who you are, what you say. Change my mind. Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. The best crypto channel on the space. Pay attention to what is happening. We came to you over and over, and I kept saying we're going to break, we're going to break, we're going to break. And it seems like nobody believes me when I say shit. We're not getting the attention that we need, and it's totally up to you, because it's not my loss, right? 3 days ago, I said over and over, Aptos. Here it is, 3 days ago. One like, I'll make it another like. Why not? 744, I actually bought it, and no one bit the bullet on there. Aptos is now trading at the 922, exactly as predicted where we were. Here we go. The most fun part of the crypto space, the crypto show. $930 billion. Ethereum and what we call Bitcoin right now currently is going to create the right shoulder, ladies and gentlemen. This is clear as mother day. I'm going to show you on this chart in a second of what we're looking at. Currently, right now, during this downward slope, we do have an inverted head and shoulders pattern that is finally being developed. And if you see it here, this is what I've been harping on. And right now, for the one indicator that I have currently for an inverted head and shoulders pattern, we do have a right shoulder here looking to be very bullish, coming and taking us to the 2000 for Ethereum. Now, I know there is a chart showing on the Bitcoin price. We are kind of bearish. So until we can really find out, is this bullish momentum. We need to find out what Bitcoin Big Daddy is doing, and that's precisely where I'm going to take us. So here we are. RSI level on the daily chart for Bitcoin, creating new higher lows all the way from June. We talked about this June 17th. If you are on this channel for more than a year, more than 6 months, you know I've been saying June 22, June 16th, June 17th, or 18th. I've said this over and over and over for the Bitcoin price on the daily chart. We are creating new higher lows, and we have seemed to have found a bottom for the Bitcoin price. And if damn it has not shown over and over what is happening on the daily RSI, yes, we are proceeding to give that momentum, which is the long-term upward. I don't know what to say after that. I mean, that's really it. It's pretty clear to me. Bitcoin getting some boring sideways action. What did I say? Well, the whole time Bitcoin is getting the boring sideways action, we are going to keep testing. This is the daily chart. Please understand what we're looking at. We're going to keep getting a test here until we finally break out of this testing. And then when we do, we will either find support here coming into here. Now, I do believe, and I am going to tell you right now, looking at the 4 hourly, I do like it a little better. Please hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate Jay Creek. Coming in, I think 19,000. I do believe 19,000 will be a pump to the downside. If we start falling, we cannot break below this, or we will then be establishing a descending triangle pattern. And then that, my friends, will be taking me and giving me this line we have here in red that is preparing you. So as soon as we break the 19.5, you will see an 18,500 price occur. And unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, the breakout has been confirmed that we are coming down all the way to a 13.6 price, perhaps 16,000 first, but you will then be seeing this price. I will not be happy. Everything that I said in the crypto market flipping bullish will have now been confirmed false. And I don't want to be that guy. So let's hope that we are prepping ourselves for something that is never going to happen. What we're going to look on the bullish end of things, and I do see a breakout possibly coming. 20,450. We are looking for this to break out if we can get above there. So what is happening currently on the price of Bitcoin, and you must pay attention to the resistance, the support level that we're having problems, 19,700. If I do see a price that is going to retest the 19,700, I will now occur and be able to confirm that Bitcoin is now going to be touching the 20,500 level. I will then now get excited, be getting ready to put a position in if we don't get majorly rejected, and start building support here. If I start building support after a rejection of the 20,500, I will then know support level of 19.7 coming next for Bitcoin. I will establish this beautiful, long, boring sideways action on the 4 hourly that we have developed. And if you see here, this is beautiful. Long, boring sideways action. When did this start happening? It happened September 18th. So we are now over a month of building the same support. As you can see, this is looking rather bullish. And currently right now, if the breakout is occurring, we're falling out of the breaking out of the falling wedge, to be precise. And if you can see here, a descending triangle pattern will be out of the confirmation once we break 20,500. If we do not break the 20,500, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be testing to the downside. You're going to be selling a little bit before. Put your sell stop at 18.5, maybe 18.4 to save your ass, because we could get a bounce off to 18.5 and you would be miserable. So don't do that. But I do see if an 18.4 or lower, right here to be exact, 18.2, I would probably put it on if you are wanting to be serious and get out and you don't want to see it go any further. Not financial advice, but that is the ultimate level. I cannot see Bitcoin come near this pink level of price, or we are in deep doo-doo. So right now, currently breaking out of the falling wedge, we do have a descending triangle pattern. It's not looking excellent for Bitcoin, but like I said, some of the indicators are giving us a little bit of a bullish momentum. I do see the breakout with the Bollinger Bands coming in here. It's pretty clear on the weekly. Let me show you what I see. We could be getting a massive fall. If we do, I think 19,000 is going to be the move. So here we go, Bollinger Bands, exponential moving averages. I do like to watch here. Get rid of some of the drawings if I can. Let me see if I can just hide it. I don't want to ruin it. Hide drawings. There we go. Currently 4 hourly. This is Bitcoin right now on the daily. And even on the daily right now, as you can see, Bollinger Bands got tight. What is the momentum? Well, we screwed it up. Bollinger Bands down here tight. See the white tight coming in? Well, we got a price action to the upside, testing the 19.5, 19.7, which is up here. So like I said, the EMA is the top of the exponential moving average is about 19.7, ladies and gentlemen. This is all factoring in and making plenty of sense. So if you see what's happening, for us to break and become very bullish, we have to break above the EMA moving averages here. This band, this ribbon, has to be broken. That's what we're looking for. So pay attention definitely to mention between Bitcoin and Ethereum, ladies and gentlemen. Only wanted to do a 15-minute video, and here we are. We have to watch the levels. As I said, I was probably one of the only YouTubers in the space, but if you see what's happening, this could be an inverted head right here. And things could be changing, ladies and gentlemen. So we must pay attention to what we're looking at. But here is the head currently right now until we confirm something different. I have the inverted head right here for Ethereum. We're going up, getting volatility, showing a right shoulder now. And as I showed you, there was an inverted head coming in here. Well, very well so in the big picture. On the daily, we have that as well. Look for the 1400 to get broken. If we finish above the 1400, ladies and gentlemen, 1569 Ethereum will occur. We will then know that we are coming back into the bull run. Things will be very noticeable. It won't be anything shocking as long as you're watching Wall Street Pete. Could you imagine? 1347, 1350 Ethereum right now. And as you can see, we're testing 1, 2, 3. This is a daily candle. 4, 5. And then we got about 6 one time up here, and that's about it. So we're looking to retouch. We're looking to see if we can break above. And what is the exact price? Well, we do have currently a little bit more of a precise number, and I'm going to show you right here. 1368, ladies and gentlemen. 1400 is still in the cards. I do want to see 1400, but if you are looking for the precise price to get to for this right shoulder to break through, well, you're going to have to finish this daily candle tonight in 11 hours and 18 minutes above the 1370 and the 1400 range. So if we are trading in the 1400 and we are trading somewhere in there and this 1370, you are going to get excited and say, hey, son of a gun, that Wall Street Pete is up to something. So let you know right now, these are the price ranges we're looking for Ethereum to build momentum back to the right shoulder. Ultimately, I don't care who you are, but you are going to find resistance at the 1569. And then we should build resistance or support through there. The rest will be history. I will come back live for you. We'll talk about it from there. Let's see what happens. Let's get to this point in time. But nobody does it better for you. So as Apple rolled out software updates for the iOS 16.1, the iPad OS 16.1, and the macOS Verge, the company said apps are allowed to list, mint, and transfer and let users view their own NFTs, non-fungible tokens. However, the ownership of the NFTs shouldn't unlock any more features within the app. So we have a little news here for Apple. Apple cracks down on NFT functionality. Social posts boost with Apple Store rules. So more rules, more regulation is a very good thing right now. The apps may not use their own mechanisms to unlock content or functionality such as a license, keys, augmented reality markers, QR codes, cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrency wallets, etc. It said. So there are some things happening, which is a good thing. They were allowing people to advertise through Facebook. As you can see now, notably, Meta has started rolling out features for users to show off their NFTs across both Instagram and Facebook. But we must have rules and regulations because too many people are getting hacked. Too many people are losing their NFTs. Way too much scarce, way too much worry, FUD. People are worrying about their NFTs. People are worrying about the securities. Well, the entire world is trying to find ways to help crypto out. If you don't understand what's going on, the entire world since 2020, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about this. I want to preach about this for a second. If I may, the whole world is changing, ladies and gentlemen. The 2020 COVID was a world reset. If you don't see it, you're blind as AF. I don't know what to say. The 2020 BS that we went through was a world financial reset to go digital. A lot of people are working from home. A lot of people are no longer working for the man. They're working for themselves. If you don't notice the difference of the increased YouTubers, the increased people are staying at home, and the increased certain things that have changed in this world, you are sleeping under a rock. 2 years ago, 3 years ago to be precise, there was about 60% more people working, going to work, 60% less YouTubers. And if you don't believe me just once! Bum, 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 bum. This is the Wall Street Pete Show, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, I suggest you hit the bell all notification so when we go live, you get this stuff immediately. You are not watching a video. The videos are excellent. I do believe we have important Bitcoin crypto levels, technical analysis, crypto news that no one else talks about in the space. We provide such rare information and we do such research. I really would appreciate to kill this algorithm. Please, I'm asking you very nicely to kill the algorithm. Let people know who the hell are the wolves of Wall Street. Who is Wall Street Pete? Well, guess what? He's the best crypto analyst on the crypto space. Enjoy your day, everyone. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Sick dough in crypto. We're out of here like Vladimir, and I'm not talking about Putin. Till the next video, my friends. Love you all. Peace in and peace out. Be safe out there, my crypto traders.